Hello, hello, Kiwi Lane play to creators. I don't know. A play to creator. Anyways, I was just sitting here on this fine Tuesday and I thought I would jump on and just share a couple of my ideas with you guys from this month's Kiwi Club Kit. So I don't know how many of you guys have actually pulled out this month's Kiwi Club Kit for October and started to play with it, hopefully, or maybe you at least looked at it and said, oh, I have the right pictures for it. That's always the first step, right? Just kind of planning a game plan as far as what you're going to use the kit for and maybe how you can use it. Later on today, I hope to post a video with one of our creative partners that we were just chatting about how much she loves the Kiwi Club kits. And even though sometimes she's like, some of the main patterns I don't have quite the right pictures, she just flips it over and uses the back papers with it. So, hey Lisa, hello guys, how are you? So really quickly, I just wanted to share what I created. Of course, you can see this in the PDF, but I wanted to highlight some fun things that I loved about it. One, of course, personally, I really think that the trees are a lot of fun and a great addition to the designer template sets. And they are meant to be able to play to create, like, right? So you can mix and match those different sets along with it. So those trees, of course, are naturally just really cute. And I love those about it. This is just a really basic, I think it goes this way for you guys. I'm not quite sure, actually. Really basic layout. I just found that the papers were, the color palette was very neutral, but I think it was more that they just felt warm, which is fall, right? And that they just kind of really allowed my pictures to do the shining in this case. And so I loved that about this kit. I tend to take a lot of pictures. I don't know what it is about around the fall time. I think it's because we're out and about, and I just tend to have a lot more of those fall pictures. This layout here, again, I think this month in my samples, and you probably could see this, I really wanted to allow the paper to shine. So I was just allowing the paper to kind of shine through and really focusing on my fall memory pictures. They seem to be some of my favorite pictures. I'm really biased when it comes to fall, guys. I think I kind of have this biased opinion. I just love it, and I love pictures, anything related to fall. You know, naturally, I don't tend to take a lot of scenery pictures. I'm more of if I have a scenery, I like put my kids in that picture and I'm like, go stand over there so that they're in the picture with it. But I will say that it's really fun. I've seen a lot of you guys take scenery pictures, and in this case I did. I on those ones, it was just more about the feel and the essence of that memory. There's seriously nothing beats the view of just seeing fall colors on trees, right? They're just so pretty. I just all those yummy colors just make me want to just smile. And then this picture here, I went for a walk early in the morning and it was just like foggy. And then I loved how the sun was poking through the trees there. So hopefully that inspires you. Like I said, I'm not usually one to take a lot of scenery pictures, but I did want to point that out, that's something we can all keep in mind. I don't know, do you guys take a lot of scenery pictures? I know if you're traveling, you know, taking pictures of buildings and just different things. And so sometimes it's nice to keep those into the mix on those. And yes, just like you guys were mentioning here, I'm glad that you love the corners on the green layout. MJ, that was just it was a simple little thing. This is in the PDF, yes, so you can check out the steps here. So I recommend going over and downloading the PDF for the Kiwi Club. If you're a Kiwi Club member, of course, you have all the paper and hopefully designer templates to either be inspired or create your own versions of the ideas that you see in there, or use it as a springboard and adjust it as you need. Template only club kits, same thing. The ideas are here. Just pull out your paper stash that you have on hand. And even if you're not a Kiwi Club member and you might be looking for some ideas, some inspiration, whether that is for fall layouts in this case, that PDF is available too, so you can download those and make them available for you to kind of peek through and have easy access to those ideas. Anyways, but this corner, yeah, I just cut out a corner. I thought, you know what? I was looking at this page and I was like, well, that's kind of bland over here. And it was just a simple thought. And I just took the little adorn tiny border here. And I did do some pop-up. You guys could probably see that better here in this video. I did allow that to pop up a little bit in dimension. So something very simple. And it's on both sides in those bottom corners on this layout. So yes, I wanted to point that out as well. So I was able to create, of course, with my October kit, I did those 2 layouts. And again, you can see this in the PDF. I threw in a couple little pocket pages because I had some pictures left over from those specific memories that I had. And again, a couple more scenery pictures too. So that's what's really nice sometimes about these little extra pocket papers. They can kind of do that. Yeah, that's me being artistic in my photography, and I actually really enjoyed that picture, so it's kind of fun. There's something about it. And then, of course, I always make a couple cards out of my scraps, and I personally love sometimes when there's no sentiment on the card because it just leaves it open-ended. You know, whether that's a thank you card, a thinking of you, a get well card, whatever that might be, congratulations card. Really, if it's the season, it could work for all of that. So I definitely need to get these out. And then happy fall, y'all. Being in the South, I definitely catch myself saying y'all all the time now these days. So happy fall, y'all. I hope you guys are feeling the fall weather as we get into the groove of things. And really quickly, the only other thing I wanted to take this time and to kind of bring attention is our upcoming pre-release fall or release event, right? And we've only done this party once as we transitioned to a quarterly release. And of course that was back in August. So we're really excited to this coming Friday, October 16th. Yes, at 6 p.m. Central Time. So do the math front or backwards, depending on your time zone. We are going to be doing that pre-release party again. So we're going to show you what we'll be releasing on November 1st, or November 5th is our release for this next quarter. And so make sure to mark that on your calendar. We'll send out the link. Make sure that everyone has that. It will be on, you guys probably got the email, but just make sure that you have that marked on your calendar. Save that date. We will, of course, be doing some giveaways during that and just giving a chance for everyone to come together and to see all the new products and samples that we've made using that new product. So it will be really fun. We always look forward to that moment, as I've expressed to you guys previously, where you kind of work on creating these things and it's fun to kind of share that creation with others. Looks like the trash people are here grabbing the trash. Yes, I'm excited for Friday too. So, lots going on. And then of course, a week full of fun events. Let me pull that up, give you guys the rundown of all the craft and events that we have going on. So tomorrow, I'll be doing a play to create demonstration just to give you some more ideas. So hopefully sometime this week, whatever it's worth. If you're out and about, of course, after a busy work day, sometimes we feel like I don't really feel like I can be creative. I challenge you to if you're just sitting watching a movie, pull out something creative and do that while you're watching a movie or something this week. Find some time sometime this week to just be creative, and I promise that you'll find a lot of fulfillment that comes from that. And then of course just rejuvenating you for the next busy day of life, it seems like, all the time. Thursday, Debbie is going to be sharing. She's jumping on live, so I'm excited about that to kind of get them into the craft and cycle. Debbie and Shiloh, by the way, who are also co-founders, and so that will be really fun to hear from them. And then Friday, new release party, and then on Saturday we're having a crop night with Jessica Spalding, one of our creative partners, and I'm super excited. This will be her first time doing one of the crop nights with us, and so I'm looking forward to setting aside some time after my chores on Saturday to sit down and accomplish a layout. That will be really fun. So hope you can create along with her. That will be really fun. So, all right. Yes, Gail, I just realized we won't be able to catch the party on Friday. Yes, Gail, we'll do a replay. We'll make a replay available on that for sure. So make sure to join that. Okay, guys, that's it. That's all I got for you guys today. Whew. Lots of exciting stuff. We've been planning for whatever it's worth. We've been planning a schedule for the rest, of course, October, but November and December as we head into the busy holiday season. So lots of fun ideas and just a lot of ways that we can all just create along and connect with each other and inspire each other to keep playing, creating, and connecting in our lives. So I look forward to them all the time. All right, thanks, guys. We will chat with you guys soon. And Emily, no, there's no RSVP on that one. We're working for the next time, but this time it was kind of glitching. So we'll make sure to send out a release or a email right around that time to remind everyone, but just save the date. Save the date and get it on your calendar. Put a reminder in your guys' phone. I live by reminders. I live by them on my phone. And then yes, November 5th will be the official release. We're just doing a pre-release party to kind of get everyone excited and showcase the product so you can kind of see what's coming up. And then of course you can plan accordingly as well. So, all right guys, talk to you guys soon. Bye.